All right, so today we're going to talk about grip. So fundamentals are probably the biggest thing that I think the vast majority of your average shooter needs to work on. Because without the fundamentals, all the fancy cool guy stuff doesn't work. So today we're going to talk about grip. We're going to talk about where to put your hand on each part of the gun, and all the way into the trigger press, and we're going to do 5 rounds because your first round you could get lucky on, second, third, fourth. Fifth round is when your grip starts falling apart. So this is my carry gun, fairly standard, like compact size, mid-size, polymer frame, striker fire pistol, one of the most common designs on the market today. You have some of your basic parts here, your grip, beaver tail, trigger guard. Those are like the 3 big areas we're going to concentrate on. So beaver tail, the webbing of your hand here needs to tuck real tight up into that beaver tail. All right, and your thumb, your primary shooting hand thumb is going to be pointing forward. Now, however big the grip is, you're going to wrap your fingers around. You're not controlling the recoil as much with this hand as you are this hand, as you are your offhand, which we're going to get into in a second. Up through here is where the next part, your second hand goes. So you're going to pin your index finger up into the trigger guard. You're going to fill the rest of that void, pointing both thumbs at the target. As you come up and press out, you're going to squeeze your palms, the heels of your hand, you're going to squeeze them inward like you're trying to crush an orange or a tennis ball. And your trigger press follows after that. So we're going to load our X-Tech 15 round Glock 19 mag into here, crush that slide, and build that grip, squeezing inward, straight out, finger on the trigger. All right, one more time, straight out, squeezing inward, both thumbs pointed at the target, finger on the trigger. And again, we're doing 5 rounds because that first round can always be lucky. 2 through 5 is if you have a deficient grip, that's when it's going to start showing.